we welcome you to our newly established central kitchen in Bangalore, which is close to around 29,000 square feet facility. We have a production facility of close to around 40,000 meals a day. In considering the growing demands of Bangalore city, we have just established this one of the state-of-the-art facility in Bangalore right now. As and when needed, we have intent of establishing more such facilities to fund and grow with the city's demand. So in next 5 years, we want to become 5 times as a company. Bangalore is our largest base. It contributes to close to around 30% of our meal capacity in India. We believe that in Bangalore we can grow up to 5 times in 3 to 4 years, and that's the expansion plan. To fund that expansion plan, as I said earlier, we'll continue to establish more such kitchens, mostly towards Electronic City, Devnalli. Those are the pockets where we'll be establishing more kitchens.
All that hygienic only, no?
Everything is hygienic, state of the art. The processes we follow are ISO standards and HACCP, and also the FSSAI rules are well established and grounded within all our processes.
How many branches in Bangalore?
So we operate and work with close to 50 plus client locations across India, across Bangalore. Across India, we work with close to around 450 clients locations.
How many?
45 cities.
How many meals per day you are serving?
So across India, we do around 700,000 meals, 7 lakhs meals per day. We envisage that in 2 to 3 years, we'll be doubling this capacity and taking it to at least 14 lakhs meals a day.
In Bangalore?
In Bangalore, we serve close to around 2 lakh meal a day, and then we believe that this will go up to around 5 lakh meal a day in 4 to 5 years.
With compost groups.
So we were in India in 2008, and we have been partnering with clients. We established our office in Chennai, and then we moved it to Gurgaon. We have been a part of this ecosystem from last close to 15 years now, and we have been fortunate to grow close to around 40-45% year on year. We foresee that with the economy growing and the positive economic sentiment supporting the economy, we'll continue to grow another 40-45% year on year.
Thank you very much.
My name is Arjo Banerjee. I am the Vice President, Culinary Operations and Central Kitchens in India. Talking about food, Compass is the largest food service provider in India. We have always been right up there, ahead of the trends. So it has been our belief that to be relevant for the ever-changing consumer needs, we have to constantly be watchful about the trends that we have. We provide food which is consumed every day. Thus, wellness and sustainability is in the center of everything that we do. We ensure that we are constantly innovating, and this is done by a team of 8 innovation chefs. They are based out of our exclusive innovation kitchen, which is in Gurgaon. These chefs constantly travel around different parts of the country. They gather recipes, they understand trends, they create new food programs which are relevant to our consumers and our clients. We also are completely focused on well-being, as I said. So all our food programs are underpinned by the concept of stealth health. That is, essentially we hide healthy ingredients, don't always call it out. Some of the major issues that we see is people think that food which is healthy may not always be tasty. So we ensure that we hide. So we do a beautiful bisibile bath, but that kind of takes in a lot of millets which goes into it. We ensure that there's a brand called Responsible Biryani, where we use brown rice, we use Sela Basmati rice, which essentially is a much lower GI as compared to the regular rices. So there is a constant focus on health. We also focus a lot on events, and that's one of our growing sectors in terms of the corporates, as well as we are starting to look at doing events beyond the corporate spaces that we operate in. So the idea is to keep ourselves always fresh, constantly evolving, ensuring that we are able to provide sustainable solutions in our food, which is underpinned by health and wellness throughout.